Congratulate all those persons whose names have been read.
Professor akurira umukoro go kuhereza za certificate abeji abahendire imishomo yabo omyuga itaryemwe hari Kamwenge Vocational and Secondary School abahigire okutandikana kace akobine okwenda ngo bakayitandikiraho emirimo.
Waiting, and we are also waiting, and Uganda is waiting for the fruits. When the fruits come, then you will realize the crash economy.
Tailoring and cutting garments.
Eby'emikono ebyo yegiri. Emitwale kandi ezo nenshi hariho koraleta esimu akamugira ngo naza kuteratereza mu screen yawe yatikire imende emitwale 10 akazina kawo.
Leave here with a vocational diploma. If you leave here with just a piece of paper and some skills and you are not committed to throwing off everything that's going to pull you down and distract you in the temptations and the attacks from the enemy, you have to throw off all those things and the sin that so easily entangles to run the race that's marked out for you.
Kanoni John Murindabigwi mukuru w'itendekereri asimire mpabuhwezi kurugaboraya ababahwerire omukwatiraho itendekereri.
All of them are able to market themselves. We don't look for the minimum. They are able to look for jobs for themselves. Tubokusindikiriza. Kandi nabo wabano yendama abantu kakuri mu bakuterese mu entebe nabo mbuze arabana bondo kwasakwa. Nabana nabo bazeho entebe.
Always do your best, and you will do well. So I thank you. I appreciate all you're doing for, not only for yourselves, you're doing it for Kamwenge, you're doing it for the country of Uganda. You are the future. So thank you so much.
Our graduates today.
Omuganda makuru aga Kamwenge abeji ayishomero rya Biguri Secondary bayesimera okusingura ebuzo bya senior ya mukaga ebasingira higuru.
Nsima hanga habo murumogu kandi nanye nko muzaire habo kushanga omwana wanje nakora ebigezo kandi akakora mu 19 points kandi kinshemeize munonga
kandi basize gukora physics, chemistry, mathematics akagikora mu points 14 bizana A in mathematics. Imprawe na shimirwa muzoberi kubanga 19 masko
ene myaka 50 boyinenga hi echo tukire kuzibira garko mu kirasi kushoma bejumbero mbintu byo kushoma ndabine diploma bazaire degree akububwegese ndekishumurizo
mastafu ya secondary school n'abashomesa kurera mu za aba mwana wanje ngwamwita Madwan Wilson akozere point 18
ikora point 18 nimbaza no kusima ruhango mbasi ikora point 18 akubata mana ganje na hanga basi kunjire imbabazi
teka twaguhebwa hanga kandi nsima headmaster with Mr. Katumerias abwar kuno mpango eyagiye ishomereri
ubugendera aba government abiya ko tukastana government school mwene government yo kwerere biringwe mpa bashobora na bashatu kaba bene bo bakora umurimo hata grade ndizikurimo aho kwana haguma yo murimo gutakozirwe.
Amashomero ga government omu district egi gasimerwe ahabo kwenegeza omutindo omuyobwegese.